started working at the very beginning of 2025 in our new design software, CET, to import the CAD files, see the space we had to work with, start working through shelving layouts and racking configurations, how big the mezzanine is going to be, where stairwells and loading gates and everything are configured. Once we did that, then we were able to, design from the ground up all of the different Borroughs solutions. We have, several different product lines here. We have them for all different sorts of applications, different sizes, heights, capacities, you name it. I mean, there's a ton of versatility with the Borroughs product, and everything was delivered on time, packaged beautifully, arrived safely.
Awesome.
Hard to beat.
We haven't even gotten to the centerpiece that is this mezzanine system right here. Look at this. Look at this.
Everything was tailored around this mezzanine. And when TJ originally approached me, the parts director, he said, I need roughly 16,000 feet of storage in order to fulfill the volume that they are currently experiencing and expecting to,
16,000 square feet.
So, that's why you're looking at, 8,000 square feet on top of the mezzanine and down here. Obviously.
What is this? This conveyor?
Yeah, this is a powered belt conveyor that, is going to be able to not only take parts down, but bring them back upstairs. You've got controls at the top and bottom for people on the mezzanine level and down here at the ground level. And it feeds directly into their workstation. This is going to be the hot area that all of the orders are actually being staged and prepared to be shipped out the door and sent to various dealerships, wherever the case may be.